And being a little OCD in this trade is always good too. You gotta have the letters facing the right way and from left to right on the tape.
Have you met my dad?
I have, here we are. But I don't think these run a whole lot. So I don't think our filters will be too dirty. A lot of air leakage there.
Okay.
You feel it just blowing some tape there to seal that up. Kind of a little bit of a weird blower noise. We're going to make sure we check amperage. You gotta hear that buzzing?
Yeah.
2 amps on the inducer motor. Our total amperage is 5.2. We have 4 amps on the blower motor. Not too high. It's just a loud unit.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably tighten some screws up. You know, we tighten that and the vibration went away.
Yes. Wow.
A little different than in a residential house. Let's see. I don't know why it was making that noise, but it doesn't seem to be doing it anymore, and it's not overamping or anything, so I'm not worried about it. We'll make sure we check our capacitor and clean up our flame sensor.
You said they were poorly installed last time?
Yeah, there was just a bunch of, just like loose ends. It's not like our systems.
Right.
We put more detail oriented into ours.
So what are you doing with this?
So that's that air I was talking about
Mm-hmm.
was blowing out. I'm gonna put it in between the furnace and the coil so we're not losing a bunch of air. And this room doesn't get 85 degrees when it's running.
That's why it was so hot in here.
Yep. Yep. This stuff will cut you too. It's good stuff. Can't go cheap on the tape. That'll seal that up and we'll be just fine.
Good.
We will change the filter. And with these, I'm not going to date them because we're the only ones that change them. I just date filters to keep homeowners honest, I guess, to when they change them. She looks brand new.
Yeah, that's nice. Let's see.
All shiny.
Yep.
A lot quieter.
Yeah, it is.
Now we'll wait for that blower to come on and better.
Yeah. Why do you think it's gone away so quickly, so drastically?
We changed filters. The filter wasn't that dirty, so that didn't really come into play, but just making sure everything was tight, tightening a couple screws, and sometimes you just get weird vibrations. Going in and wiping things down and wiggling things, and tightening the screws gets rid of them. Like you could have we'll get noise complaints because a little piece of foil tape is making a buzzing noise, and you come in and put a new piece of tape on it, and it's quiet as a mouse again. So a bunch of different things that can cause noises, but it's a lot better now.
Yeah, it is.
Now I'm going to turn on the air conditioner and check temperature drop. Kind of a quick check we can do. And then we'll head outside and check refrigerant charge, especially on this unit because we've had issues with refrigerant in the past.